In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in PDF on WPS Office. Highlighting text is a simple but powerful way to emphasize important information, mark key points, or organize content while reviewing a PDF document. This is especially useful for studying, editing, or preparing reference materials where clarity and visibility matter. To begin, make sure your PDF file is already open in WPS Office. Once the document is visible on your screen, take a moment to adjust the view so the text is easy to read. Using your mouse, move the cursor to the part of the document you want to highlight. Click and drag across the text to select it. As you drag, you will see the selection expand, allowing you to choose a single word, a full sentence, or even an entire paragraph depending on your needs. After the text is selected, an option menu will appear near the highlighted area or within the toolbar. From this menu, choose the Text Highlight Color option. When you click it, the selected text will immediately be highlighted using the default color, which is usually yellow. This color works well for general emphasis and is commonly used for readability. If you prefer a different highlight color, you can easily change it. Next to the highlight option, there is a small drop-down menu that allows you to select from other available colors. Choose the color that best suits your purpose, whether you're categorizing information, separating topics, or visually organizing notes within the document. The selected color will be applied instantly to the highlighted text. You can repeat this same process as many times as needed throughout the document. Simply select another portion of text, open the Highlight Color option, and choose the color you want to use. Using multiple colors can be helpful when reviewing long documents, as it allows you to quickly identify different types of information at a glance. If you make a mistake or want to change the highlight later, you can reselect the text and apply a new color using the same method. This flexibility makes it easy to refine your document as you continue reviewing or editing it. That is how you can highlight text in a PDF using WPS Office. It's a straightforward process that adds clarity and structure to your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.